It's Trevor. He's got a camera. We're going to talk to him. Hey, thanks for tuning in to this video, which I'm going to show you about the interior of Dubsta 003. Around the edges, but let me show you what I've done so far. We've got a full grey leather perforated Porsche Cayenne interior from a late model Porsche Cayenne, including the rears, which are bolted into the standard Volkswagen Transporter floor mounts. So we know we've got the safety and security there that we need. These seats will also slide, so we can have more space in the rear if we want it, or you want a better conversation. Or comfort mode, you've then got an extra 10 or so degrees you can put on there. It also folds flat, and we're having our bed made at the moment, ready for our trip to Switzerland in June. Of course, we'll be videoing that, we'll be giving you updates as we're doing it. So that's the rear. We're all seat belted in the correct manner as well. Up front, we've got 2 electric captain seats. All of these functions work. There's 16 ways, something like that. They're incredibly comfortable. I can't explain how comfortable they are, and as my daily ride, running static, I absolutely love it. He seems quite happy with it. All right there, boy. Having a little nap, were we? Yeah? Good lad. Right, so that is the Porsche Cayenne interior put into a Transporter. We've done it once, we can do it again. We've got the pattern for it now. If you like what you see, get in touch. Just packing up the last few bits for tomorrow's show at early edition at Cyber. Just making sure we can capture some footage and give you guys something to watch.